Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by Reliant Ribbons, Bows, and Trims.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful bows super easy using Pro-Bow the hand from Reliant Ribbon Company. Here's a fun new product that's available from Reliant. It's called Pro-Bow the hand. And what it does is actually allow you to make beautiful bows, like you see on the box, very easily. No more cramping hands, no more problems, and you can be interrupted while you're making a bow, and it works perfectly. There's instructions on the box, but the best part is there's free videos online, so you can watch how to make all sorts of different bow recipes just by following the links. So let me show you what's inside the box. This is Pro-Bow the hand. It comes with a series of dowels like this, and it also comes with a ribbon holder. Another convenient thing are the non-skid surfaces on the back so it doesn't run around the table. Then it has a series of holes and series of dowels. You can see how there's smaller holes and larger holes. They're numbered so that it helps you. This helps you make the center of the bow, and then you can make bows with 3 loops, 4 loops, 5 loops, 6 loops, and you can make big bows with it. The ribbon holder holds 3 bolts of ribbon. That's really convenient too because it allows you to use different types of ribbon as you're making your bow. One more important feature is the little nail right here. You'll see how I use that. So now all you need are 3 bolts of ribbon, a wire, and a scissors, and we can make a beautiful bow. We're able to run off 3 different types of ribbon from the bow holder. We gather up the ends and pinch them about 1 inch from the end and tie it off with a wire. We have 1 piece of wire that goes up, 1 piece of wire that goes down. We'll bring it around and take it through the center loop and down to the bottom dowel. We'll wrap the top wire around the bottom dowel and the other wire around the nail. This has already formed the center of our bow, and it's probably the most difficult part of this entire project. The twist is the important part of making a bow. So as we bring each loop around, we twist it down at the bottom of the center. That allows us to bring it up and loop it around the next dowel. We're working from the center to the outside and back and forth from side to side. We make a loop on one side, twist it, make a loop on the other side, and twist it. Make a loop on the first side and twist it, and back again, alternating back and forth. This will ultimately give us 7 loops, and each one of those loops has 3 different kinds of ribbon. So when we're finished, we have a bow that has 21 loops of ribbon. When we've completed our final outside loops, we bring it down to the bottom, detach our wire from the dowel and from the nail, and tightly wrap it around where we twisted our ribbons. You need to cut your bow away from the ribbon bolts. The longer length of ribbon you leave, the longer streamers you'll have on your bow. Then it's time to shape the bow. Pulling the individual loops apart and separating them and shaping them will help us create this beautiful bow. Reliant ribbon has so many great patterns and textures. These 3 ribbons all have marrowed edges, which means that there's a wire in the edge. And that allows you to shape the bow and make it look perfect. This is ideal for making bows for packages, for Christmas trees, whatever your needs. These professional bows look exceptional, and it's all easy thanks to Pro-Bow the Hand. I'll take my package and wrap 2 lengths of ribbon around the outside. I'm alternating using the Greek key and the French postage stamp ribbon. I'll tie those together securely and then simply use my wire to attach the bow to the package. Pro-Bow the Hand makes it easy to make a beautiful bow like this in just minutes. And my hands aren't cramped, the bow's beautiful, everyone's happy. Pro-Bow the Hand, available from Reliant Ribbon. It's a great way for you to make professional bows every time. Until next time, keep having fun with ribbon and flowers.